Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1 Organic Chemistry. In this video, I have put direct answer instead of option and this video is very useful for all university exam including HNGU University. So let's start. Our first question, geometry of ethyl carbonate is dash. Answer is pyramidal. Second question, hybridization of alkyl carbonate is dash. Answer is sp3 hybridization. Third question, in which reaction intermediate is carbon anion? Answer is aldol addition. Fourth question, nitrogen yield formation take place in which rearrangement? Answer is Stevens. Fifth question, which of the following reaction take place via formation of carbocation ion as reaction intermediate? First SN1, second E1, third E2, fourth SN2. Answer is option 1 and 2. It means SN1 and E1. Sixth question, geometry of methyl free radical is. Answer is planar. Seventh question, geometry of trifluoromethyl free radical is. Answer is pyramidal. Eighth question, which one of the following is electrophilic radical? Answer is CH2CHO. Ninth question, dichlorocarbene exists. Answer is only as singlet. Tenth question, which of the following compound gives carbene on decomposition? First, diazo compound, second, ketenes, third, aldehydes, fourth, amines. Answer is option 1, 2 and 3. It means diazo compound, ketenes and aldehydes. 11th question, in which rearrangement reaction intermediate is carbene? Answer is Wolff. 12th question, carbenes give which of the following reaction? First, addition with alkenes, second, addition with arenes, third, insertion into CH bonds, fourth, insertion into CP bond. Answer is option 1, 2 and 3. It means addition with alkenes, addition with arenes, addition, and third means insertion into CH bonds. 13th question, enamines give which of the following reaction? Answer all. Alkylation, acylation and Michael addition. 14th question, which one of the following yield give oxirane with carbonyl compound? Answer is sulfur. 15th question, which one of the following yields are least stable? Answer is nitrogen. 16th question, in which reaction product formation takes place by formation of phosphorus yield? Answer is Wetting reaction. 17th question, which one of the following yield give cyclopropane derivative with alpha beta unsaturated compound? Answer is sulfonium yield. 18th question, benzene can give which of the following reaction? Answer is all. Dialdol's reaction, in reaction and 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition. 19th question, which of the following reagent is usually not used for reduction? Answer is sodium hydride. 20th question, the conversion of aniline to benzonitrile can be done with, answer is HNO3 followed by CuCl. 21st question, the Diels-Alder's reaction of cyclopentadiene occurs at the highest rate with answer is malic anhydride. 22th question. The major product expected in the reaction of benzaldehyde oxide with P2O5 is answer is PHCl. 23rd question. Among anisaldehyde, furfural, formaldehyde, p-toluene, the aldehydes that undergo Commissioner's reaction are answer all formaldehyde, p-toluene anhydride and furfural. 24th question. The partial reduction of benzene to 1,4-cyclopentadiene may be affected with answer NaNH3 or ethanol. 25th question. The product expected in the reaction of syn-methylphenyl ketoxime with P2O5. Answer is acetanilide. 26th question. Wilkinson's catalyst is used for answer hydrogenation. 27th question. Total number of isomer, structural and stereoisomer of molecular formula C4H8 is answer 6 isomers. 28th question. Which of the following molecule has a zero dipole moment? Answer is CCl4. It means carbon tetrachloride. 29th question. Major product obtained in the reaction of 1-phenyl to bromobutane with CH3ONa is answer is phenyl 1-butene. 30th question. 30th question. The total number of stereoisomers possible in 2,3-dihydroxypentane is answer 4. 31st question. Treatment of 4-methylphenyl acetate with AlCl3 produces answer 2-hydroxy 5-methyl acetophenol. 32th question. Epimerization refers to answer change of configuration at one stereocenter in diastereomer. 33 question. Which of the following process can be used to synthesize polypropylene? Answer is polymerization via Ziegler-Natta catalyst. 34th question. The anticodon for CCC on tRNA that will base pair with the codon on mRNA is answer is GGG. 35th question. Which of the following compounds is an appropriate precursor for the synthesis of 1-chloro-3-ethyl benzene? Answer is acetophenone. 36th question. Hydroformylation reaction is catalyzed by answer is CO2 CO8 answer is CO2 CO8. 37th question. Which one of the following isomers of C5H11Br on dehydrogenation will give diastereomers? Answer is CH3CH2 CHBr CH2 CH3. 38th question. Hydrogenolysis is a process of answer is cleavage of single bond by H2. 39th question. Hofmann degradation of phenyl acetamide yield. Answer is benzyl amine. 40th question. A phase transfer catalyst is answer is a substance that mediates transport of ions from one phase to another. 41st question. Acetyls are formed from the reaction between. Answer is a carbonyl group and hydroxy group. 42th question. Which one of the following reaction compounds can be found in proteins? Answer is glycine. 43 question. The molecules A, B, C, D has the gauge conformation if the torsional angle about the BC bond is. Answer is 60 degree. 44th question. Which of the following is Wilkinson catalyst? Answer is PPH3 3RHCl. 45 question. The IUPAC name of tetramethylsilane. Answer is 2,4-dimethyl 2,3-diene. 46th question. The compound most similar in structure to cellulose is. Answer is starch. 47th question. Glycolysis is a series of enzyme catalyzed reaction leading to oxidation of. Answer is glucose. 48th question. Walden inversion is associated with. Answer is SN2 reaction. 49th question. Reaction of PHCN with LiAl4 generates. Answer is benzyl amine. 50th question. Which one of the following pairs of reactants can give an aldol condensation product? Answer is cyclohexanol and formaldehyde. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, then link is available in description box. Thank you.